Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the start button in your GE dryer, you will need a drill driver with a 1/4-inch bit and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power to the appliance. Unthread the 5 screws on the panel. Any missing screws can be ordered through the links in the description below. Pull out and lift the panel from the backsplash. Detach the ground wire. Noting the orientation of the wires, detach the 2 red wires. Detach the purple and brown wires. Pull back the tab and twist counterclockwise to free the switch. Then pull to remove from the start button. Squeeze the tabs on the button and push to remove from the backsplash. To install the new start button, snap the button into the backsplash. Align the D shaft to the start button and insert the switch. Twist clockwise to lock in place. Reattach the purple and brown wires. Now reattach the red wires. Reattach the ground wire to the panel. Insert the panel tabs into the slots on the dryer. Rethread the 5 screws. Plug in the dryer. And your dryer should be ready for use.